Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting new series where we bring your web app ideas to life. If you're looking to design beautiful interfaces in Figma and turn them into fully functional websites using Tailwind CSS and Next.js, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll give you a sneak peek into what we're going to achieve together. Plus, I'll set a small challenge for you to get started before we dive deeper in the upcoming videos. So stick around. Let me show you an example UI we're going to work with, a simple yet elegant sign-in and register form. Here in Figma, we've designed this clean, minimalist form with all the essential elements. Input fields, buttons, an image, and some subtle styling to give it that professional look. Soon, we will convert this Figma design into a web page using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. It's going to be fun. We will use Tailwind CSS to design the UI. Tailwind is one of the best, well-organized CSS library designed to build modern web UI. If you want to make a career out of web development, especially as a front-end engineer, then Tailwind CSS is a must-to-learn skill. So let's see the design first, then we'll look out the actual code in working. I've only used a few box layouts and text alignment to plot both these UIs. Both the sign-in and register UI are somewhat identical. There is an image on top, then a few gray boxes with labeled text. Below there is a button and an after text. If you have worked with Figma, then this should not be tough to understand. But no need to worry. We will discuss Figma in details and learn all the key concepts together in future videos. For now, let's move on to our code part and see how it looks in an actual web page. Here, I've already set up the Next.js app and designed this sign-in and register form for the display. It only has the UI, no logic yet. If you need help with Next.js setup, then check out my previous videos. I have already posted complete series building a forum app from scratch. Have a look. In this design, I have used the basic div tags with Tailwind class names to style. I have also exported the top images in this project. We will learn that in Figma export tutorial video. Rest is only the proper arrangement of class names and a lot of tweaking. That's it. Together it forms our first sign-in page. Similarly, we have designed the register page. It's just a copy of sign-in page with an extra input group. It's for the email. I've also tweaked the text and link accordingly in both pages. So that's it. Let's test it out. Notice how we've kept it simple but functional, with ample spacing, intuitive layout, and a color scheme that pops just right. And guess what? You can try building this yourself in Figma before we dive into the series. Challenge yourself to replicate or improve it with your own creative touch. Trust me, designing in Figma is super fun and a great way to unlock your creativity. So give it a shot. I know it's not easy at first. It took me a couple hours to decide what it should look, what color to choose and all. Overall, it will require you dedication and a lot of patience. Still, if you want to become a good web developer, you must have a good understanding of UI design. You don't have to be an expert, just learn enough to understand the standards. Once your design is ready, we'll move to coding it in VS Code using Tailwind CSS. Here's a quick peek at how the design translates into code. We'll add responsive styles, hover effects, and some amazing utility classes to make it all come alive. Here, we have to understand the basics of Next.js or whatever framework you choose. Then the actual design starts with Tailwind CSS. Don't worry, it's also very easy to learn, and you will have Snippet Assistant in VS Code to guide you through each step. The best part of Tailwind is that I did not write a single line of custom CSS to convert our Figma design into this web form. It's all there to use. It's like styling with inline CSS, but with a lot of extra features. So buckle up for the journey, prepare your designs, and get ready. By the end of this series, you'll be able to take any design from Figma and turn it into a fully functional, responsive website. So, what are you waiting for? Try your hand at that sign-in and register form in Figma. And I'll see you in the next video as we kick off this exciting journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching TechnoSpace.